ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਦੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਜਗਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਫਰਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਸਥਾਨ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ 21ਵੀਂ ਸਦੀ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਵੇਸ਼ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਡਲ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਸਕੂਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਆਧੁਨਿਕ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਉਸੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਦਾ ਮੋਰੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਬਣਿਆ ਸੀ ਸੈਫਰਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਅਤੇ ਲਗਭਗ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੇ ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕੈਡੈਮਿਕ ਐਕਸਲੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਹਾਸਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਝਲਕਦੀ ਹੈ +2 CBSE ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ। ਜੀ ਹਾਂ, CBSE ਦੇ +2 ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਫਰਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਦੇ ਝੰਡੇ ਗੱਡ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀ ਕਮਰਸ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ ਅਰਚਿਤਾ ਜੈਨ ਨੇ 98.2% ਅੰਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਟੌਪ ਕੀਤਾ। ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਅਰਪਤਾ ਜੈਨ 97.4 ਅੰਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਸਥਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹੀ। ਸੈਫਰਨ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਟਰੀਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬਰਕਰਾਰ ਰਿਹਾ। +2 ਨਾਨ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਿयांशु ਨੇ 94.6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹਾਸਲ ਕੀਤੇ। ਉੱਥੇ ਮਾਨਿਆ 93.2 ਅੰਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਰਹੀ। +2 ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਸਕਾਨਦੀਪ ਨੇ 93.2% ਅੰਕ ਲਏ ਅਤੇ ਸ਼ੁਭਾਂਸ਼ੀ 91% ਲਏ। ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ 11 ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ 90% ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਅੰਕ ਹਾਸਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਦਕਿ 24 ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ 80% ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ। ਸਕੂਲ ਦਾ ਨਤੀਜਾ 100% ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਸ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਬੇਹੱਦ ਖੁਸ਼ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮਾਪੇ ਅਤੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਵੀ ਮਾਣਮੱਤੇ ਪਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਦੀ ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਲਾਈਵ ਨਾਲ ਐਕਸਕਲੂਸਿਵ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੰਦੀਪਾ ਸੂਦ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਦਾ ਨਤੀਜਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦਿਆਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਹੀ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਸਿਰਜਕ ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ। ਦੂਸਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਸੈਫਰਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਮਨਮੋਹਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਅਤੇ ਵਾਈਸ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ ਸਰਦਾਰਨੀ ਇੰਦਰਜੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਸਫਲ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦਿਆਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਿਹਤਰੀਨ ਰਹੇਗਾ। ਦੀ ਫਗਵਾੜਾ ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਲਾਈਵ ਨੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਅਤੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਸੀ। ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਖਾਸ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ।
Hello everyone, my name is Archita Jain from Saffron Public School. So today our results came out and I was fortunate enough to come first in district as well as school by scoring 98.2% in my board exams from commerce background. I'm totally overwhelmed and pleased with my result, and for this I would like to thank my mom and dad for their constant support and motivation. I actually want to dedicate my success to them and owe them everything. And next I would also like to thank our principal ma'am Dr. Sandeepa Sood for her constant support and dedication. In my 3 years of journey with Saffron School, she has always helped me unconditionally. Next, I would also like to thank our director ma'am and director sir for providing us with the best educational environment. Next, I would also like to thank all the teachers who were no less than a guiding force and my support system in my success path. I am very happy to make all of them feel proud, and I am grateful to all of them with all my heart. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Jain and I'm from Saffron Public School. I'm extremely elated because today our results got declared and by God's grace I got 97.4% in commerce background. And for this I would like to thank mom and dad because without their support I would not have been in such a position. So I owe this success to my mom and dad, and of course our principal ma'am Dr. Sandeepa Sood, because throughout this odyssey of learning she has been the constant support in guiding us. Undoubtedly thanking our director sir and director ma'am for providing us the adequate environment requisite for this learning. All of this success I owe to all those teachers who have supported me and guided me and have made me what I am today. So I would like to thank them all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manya Sharma, and it's my great fortune to say that it has been 14 years since I entered this magical world named Saffron Public School, where every student blossomed like a flower and spread its positivity with a great result. And today I have achieved 93.2 percentage in CBSE Plus 2 examination result under the Faculty of Science non-medical stream. I truly believe that one can achieve anything he wants by doing his work with determination, dedication and discipline. But I think these qualities could not have polished by the constant support of the army of 6 teachers, the strength of the Faculty of Science, who has given their day and night, their Sundays, their festivals to us, and because they wanted that each and every concept, whatever we learned, it felt like a piece of cake. And it
Hi, I am Shubhanshi Thukral and we just got our CBSE results today and I got 91% in medical stream. My subjects were biology, chemistry, physics, English and painting, and I scored good in all of these subjects. And my result, my percentage, it is all due to of my family, my teachers, Saffron Public School. So I am really very thankful to all the teachers. Thank you so much Gursharan ma'am, Harinder sir, Manurishi sir, Ashwini sir, Sachin sir, Paramjeet sir. Thanks a lot. You have supported us a lot. You have given me a lot of strength and this is possible only because of you. And a big thanks to Principal ma'am who have provided us this platform, the Saffron Public School, the whole Saffron family, and she was there with us at each and every step of.
I'm Muskan Kaur, a student of Saffron Public School, Fagwara, and I have recently completed my 12th in the field of medical with the marks that I'm really happy and proud of. And obviously its credit goes to my school, my principal Dr. Sandeepa Sood, my teachers and of course my parents who helped me throughout my journey in the school and also helped me cope up with the failures that I faced on its path. To talk about my study schedule, I wasn't much of a bookworm. I mainly focused on understanding the concept and then producing it on paper. I focused on learning from the NCERT textbooks, which I found really beneficial, especially for studying biology, and it can help one to score really good marks in the board examinations. Other than that, I also adopted a technique of discussing it with my friends, which helps us to memorize whatever we have learned in the classroom. And I would really do it on a regular basis with my best friend, and I found it really beneficial. I would also like to mention that my teachers who conducted regular tests for us, and I believe that written practice is very much important, and just reading and memorizing things doesn't really give us that good of results. So I would like to express my special gratitude from the bottom of my heart to my principal Dr. Sandeepa Sood, my biology teacher Mr. Manurishi, my chemistry teacher Mr. Harinder Sharma, and my English teacher Mrs. Gursharan Kaur, who not only helped me on this course of education but also aided me in upcoming with all the ups and downs that I faced in these years of student.
Hello everybody, today I am feeling very proud by securing 97% marks in my plus 2 class. I am very grateful to my parents, teachers and principal ma'am who helped me a lot during my journey and whose guidance and support helped me achieve this target. I would like to thank my teachers who helped me a lot and whose repeated guidance proved pivotal in my journey. They have provided all the materials like sample papers which helped me a lot in scoring me good marks. My aim is to become a CA, and from now onwards I'll focus my whole attention towards that aim so that I can become a successful person. I am very grateful and I am give special thanks to Principal Ma'am and Gaurav Sir and Tamya Ma'am who played very important role in my plus 2 journey.
Hello everyone, myself Manu Bhardwaj, Recently, our CBSE 12th class results have been declared, and I am extremely happy as I have achieved 90.4% marks. First of all, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to our Honorable Principal Ma'am Dr. Sandeepa Sood, as well as the teachers who have helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance. Secondly, I would like to express my special thanks to my parents. Their guidance, constant encouragement, and careful monitoring throughout my exams are so great that even my most profound gratitude is not enough. So I am very happy, and for my further studies, I am preparing for Common Law Admission Test (CLAT) exam. As due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the coaching institutions are not opened yet, so I am preparing at my home, and I want to become a judge and want to make my parents proud one day. So I hope I will succeed in my life with flying colors, and also I hope all of us will overcome this pandemic COVID-19 as soon as possible. So stay home and stay safe.